In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly use your voice in Suno AI. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tool can help you bring your musical ideas to life with ease. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness the power of Suno AI to create amazing music. First, you'll want to start by logging into Suno AI Music. If you haven't already registered, head over to their website, create an account, and then log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll get access to the diverse world of music creation that Suno AI offers. Next, you'll find the Create button. Give it a click. This will lead you into the heart of your songwriting journey. Here, you have full control over your creative process, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options. After selecting Create, you'll want to move on to the Custom option. Selecting Custom lets you tailor your project to your personal style and preferences, ensuring that your creative voice shines through in the music you produce. Once you've set up the basics, the next step is to click on Audio. By doing so, you're telling Suno AI that you're ready to incorporate your vocal talents into the mix. At this point, you have a choice to make. You can either select Record to capture your voice directly, or upload a pre-recorded voice clip from your device. Recording directly into the platform can be convenient, allowing for spontaneous creativity, while uploading gives you the time to perfect your recording before sharing it with Suno AI. Now that you've got your vocals ready, you'll want to provide some guidance to Suno AI by entering a prompt for lyrics. Think about the story you want to tell or the emotions you want to convey, and type these thoughts into the lyrics prompt. Following this, you'll also need to enter a prompt for styles. Are you going for a moody, jazz-inspired piece, or perhaps something more upbeat and poppy? The style prompt helps Suno AI understand the musical context and mood you're aiming for. With your vocal and creative parameters in place, it's time to bring it all together. Click the Create button to set the wheels in motion. At this point, Suno AI will get to work, using your recorded vocal as a foundation for the track. You can sit back and relax, knowing that the AI is synthesizing your input to generate a unique piece of music that stays true to your artistic vision. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use Suno AI to let your voice be heard, creating music that reflects your individual style and creativity. Keep experimenting with different prompts and vocal techniques to see how Suno AI can continue to surprise and inspire you on your musical journey.